Hello everyone. Last time, we introduced the structure and the working principle of the air conditioning system. In this chapter, we will learn the assembly of the air conditioning system.
1. Installation of AC compressor. 1. Install the AC compressor at the bottom of the car and tighten the compressor fixing bolt circle 4 with a torque of 23.8 or subtract 2 Nm, as shown in figure 3.2.4.16. Connect the high and low pressure pipes of the compressor. Tighten the high pressure pipe connecting bolt 1 and low pressure pipe connecting bolt 2, as shown in figure 3.2.4.17, with a torque of 10.8 or subtract 1 Nm. In the installation process, if the O-ring is broken, replace it with a new one. 2. Installation of condenser. 1. Install the fixing bolts 2 places of the condenser, as shown in figure 3.2.4.18. 2. Install the fixing bolts 4 places of the condenser on the radiator with a torque of 6.8 or subtract 1 Nm, as shown in figure 3.2.4.19. 3. Tighten the fixing nuts of AC pipeline of the condenser with a torque of 10.8 or subtract 1 Nm, as shown in figure 3.2.4.20. 3. Installation of expansion valve. 1. Install the fixing bolts of the expansion valve and evaporator connecting pipe with a torque of 8.8 or subtract 1 Nm, as shown by the arrow in figure 3.2.4.21, and install the expansion valve circle 1. 2. Connect the evaporator connecting pipe assembly circle 1 with the expansion valve and install the fixing bolts with a torque of 10.8 or subtract 1 Nm, as shown by the arrow in figure 3.2.4.22. 4. Installation of air conditioning pipeline. 1. Connect the high and low pressure pipelines of the compressor and tighten the fixing bolts, as shown in figure 3.2.4.17. 2. Connect the high and low pressure pipes of the condenser and tighten the fixing nuts of the high and low pressure pipes of the condenser. 3. Connect the high or low pressure pipes with the expansion valve and tighten the connecting nuts between the high or low pressure pipes and the expansion valve with a torque of 10.8 or subtract 1 Nm, as shown by the right arrow in figure 3.2.4.23. 4. Install the fixing bolts of high and low pressure pipes at the right suspension of the engine with a torque of 10.8 or subtract 1 Nm, as shown by the arrow in figure 3.2.4.24. 5. Install the fixing bolts of high and low pressure pipes at the right front pillar with a torque of 10.8 or subtract 1 Nm, as shown on the left in figure 3.2.4.23. 6. Install the AC pressure sensor with appropriate tools, as shown in circle part in figure 3.2.4.23, and connect plug of the AC pressure switch wiring harness. 5. Assembly of HVAC system assembly. 1. Connect the AC drawing pipe and install the fixing nuts on the left and right sides of the upper part of the HVAC assembly, as shown by the arrow in figure 3.2.4.25. 2. Tighten the 2 fixing nuts in the middle of the HVAC assembly, as shown by the arrow in Figure 3.2.4.2.26. 3. Tighten the two fixing bolts at the lower part of the HVAC assembly blower, as shown by the arrow in Figure 3.2.4.2.27. 4. Connect the heating water pipe in front of the front panel assembly, as shown by the arrow in Figure 3.2.4.2.28. 5. Connect the high or low pressure pipes with the expansion valve, and tighten the connecting nuts between the high or low pressure pipes and the expansion valve, as shown by the arrow in Figure 3.2.2.29. 6. Connect the wiring harness plug of HVAC assembly, as shown by the arrow in Figure 3.2.4.2.13. 7. Install the speed governor module of the blower, and install the fixing bolts to places of the speed governor module, as shown in Figure 3.2.4.2.31. 6. Installation of air conditioning panel. Connect the wiring harness plug of the air conditioning control module, and install the air conditioning control panel assembly, as shown by the arrow in Figure 3.2.4.2.32. 7. Installation of evaporator temperature sensor, as shown in Figure 3.2.4.2.33. Connect evaporator temperature sensor connector A. Tighten the fixing screws of the right front feed blowing air pipe, and install the right front feed blowing air pipe assembly circle 1. 8. Installation of outside temperature sensor. Connect the outside temperature sensor connector and install the outside temperature sensor circle 1, as shown in Figure 3.2.4.2.34. 9. Installation of inside temperature sensor. Install the inside temperature sensor circle 1 and rotate the bracket fixing barcode in the opposite direction of the direction indicated by arrow A, as shown in Figure 3.2.4.2.35. 10. Installation of sunlight sensor. Install the sunlight sensor and its housing, and connect its connector, as shown in Figure 3.2.4.2.36.
Okay, that's the end of this class. Please practice according to the work order. Thank you.